guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, I just feel like really inspired by like very simple makeup lately, like Kourtney Kardashian, Kendall Jenner, J.Lo. Like I know sometimes she can go crazy, but it's all about like beautiful skin. So I want to recreate that. Even though my skin is not 100% perfect, but I try. You know, I've been actually taking really good care of my skin as of late, and I've been doing a lot of face masks, a lot of, you know, cleansers and toners and stuff like that, and trying to keep up with a skincare routine, which is actually working for me. So I'm actually really happy about that. I mean, look at this. I have a natural dew, like a natural glow, and I have nothing on my face. Win. So anyways, jumping right in, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty primer, put it on my face. Today, I'm going to use a new foundation that I got. I'm gonna blend two colors. I kind of want to look just a little tan, you know. I'm actually going to tan my whole body pretty soon because I bought a new product. Let me show you, okay? Because I have it right here. I got this. I got the glove with it because I'm like, how am I gonna apply it? So I had to get the glove. Anyways, I heard really good reviews on this product. The Bondi Sands Australia Tan Self-Tanning Foam 1 Hour Express. So I'm excited to use this. Hopefully I don't look orange. Let's get on with the makeup, stop stalling. I'm gonna be using, it's a new foundation for me. It's not new in the market. It's this one. It's the L'Oreal Inflammable Up to 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. And I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. I'm gonna do 1 pump of that and 1 pump of this. Hopefully this looks okay. Blend your ear, don't forget. Don't forget your neck. Blend your neck. That looks good, right? Look at that, nice, glowy, fresh looking. Over here, I just look really pale and no color. Ooh, dull. Next is concealer. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the color Dirty, and the medium peach. I was gonna say dirty peach, girl. Medium peach. And I'm gonna only use a little bit. I got this little, tiny little beauty blender, so cute. All right, so we're just gonna go boom, 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 blend it in. So next I'm going to actually set this, but I'm not gonna go like set it crazy because I still want this glowy look. I'm gonna be a little bit bougie today. I'm gonna be using my Chanel, what is this? Powder Universal Libre Poudre Libre Fine Natural, also known as Natural Finish Loose Powder by Chanel. Yeah, so this is just translucent powder. Like I said, I just want to be a little bit bougie. I'm just gonna use a little bit. So I'm gonna use the same little thing, grab a little bit. I'm just going to powder here on the inner corner. That's it for the setting. Next, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I don't know if I want to use this one. Do I want to use this one? I've never used this one. Should we use this one? Let's use this one because I never used it, so let's do it. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the color I have no clue because it doesn't say. So let's hope it's not super dark. Oh my god, is this working? Yeah, it's working. I see it. I see it. So my camera decided to just stop rolling there for a second, so I did my brows thinking that it was rolling. But my brows are done. All right, so now I'm going to wipe off this bake. So then I am going to contour. Today I'm being bougie again, so I'm gonna be using my Chanel, what is this? Soleil Tan de Chanel with a stippling brush by e.l.f. I like how it smells. It smells so good. Really? My battery's gonna die. All right, I'm gonna go try to do it quick before the battery dies. Can we do this, guys? Can we do this? Yes, we can. Contour and blended like usual. Then next, I'm going to use my Becca Champagne Pop. Oldie but a goodie. Look how much I use this. Not that much, but I hit pan. I'm gonna use my finger and highlight. Ooh, I put too much. I actually got this tip from Ariel, the makeup artist. Not literally, because you know what I mean. Just looked at videos. Because who am I? I'm gonna be like, yeah, I've been texting Ariel. Girl, bye. No. So I thought like he said that you can put your highlight underneath as opposed to going here, and that's what I would do. I would put it here, but this just looks amazing. Like just a smidge lower actually does the trick. And then here on the top of the brow bone, my nose, the bridge. This looks like a no makeup look. And then for the lips, I'm gonna be using my Desi and Katy collection in More Creamer Please. The perfect nude. I always put lipstick so awkward, I've noticed. I'm like, ew. But it's on. All right, we did it, you guys. We did it before the battery died. So yeah, so this is very, very simple, easy, quick, but still you look so gorgeous, tan and glowy, and like you didn't try at all, but you did, or at least I did. So I hope you guys like this. It's very simple, very easy. I guess that's my motto for the past fucking 3 videos that I've done, because I'm like easy peasy, like there you go. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nice glowy from in the beginning, because I had no color whatsoever, to the glow up, as they say, right? I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!